Hey guys, I hope you're doing amazing. Welcome to Honors Diary, and in today's video we're going to be going to a bunch of shops and seeing what's new in, giving some clothes a go. I might try some, there could be a haul at the end, I'm not sure, but we're going to have a little mooch around in shops, just have a look and see what autumn stuff there is. I can't wait to take you along with me. So for my outfit of the day, I am wearing something very autumnal, but I'm going to show you when I get into a changing room and then you could probably see in a full-length mirror. But let's just go straight to the shops and I'll see you when I'm there. So firstly, I went into New Look and I had a look around at some clothes and found a few things that I really liked. So for example, I saw this coat, I love that, and there were some few dresses and things that I really liked, so I picked a few bits out and then I went into a changing room. So this was my outfit for the day. I am doing a voiceover for all of this because the music was so loud. But these are all the clothes that I picked out to give a go and see what they look like. Firstly, I picked out this lace corsety top thing. I'm not really sure what it is, but I quite liked it, although I wasn't 100% feeling it. So I paired it with the skirt and I like the skirt, but again, I'm not fully sure on this outfit. It's similar to the one I found in H&M a while ago, and it's just not that great. As you can see, my underwear lines are through and it's a bit thin, so not really something I would get, but it's still okay. I then paired it with this jumper and this is so cozy, it's really soft. I do like this, but as you can see, I'm not really liking the crop of it and the fit. It's just not sitting on my body right, so not really the one for me. I then tried this jumper dress and again, it's okay, but I prefer the fitted one that was in H&M again that I tried a while ago, and it's a bit thin, but I'm going to pair it with this. And oh my god, I'm obsessed with this aviator jacket. It's so soft with like a faux sheepskin, I think it is, and it's really warm as well. So out of everything, this thing is a big thumbs up. Like, I'm obsessed. As you can see on my face, I'm like really excited by it. So yes, definitely yes, and I'm going to get that. And as you can see, I have got my goods and we go into H&M. I only found 3 things that I was interested in. So first, to start off, I'm just having a drink, so I was really thirsty at this point. And then I try on the trousers and I wasn't feeling it, if I be honest. They were too wide leg. I know it's a trendy thing and I guess looking back, it's okay. But at the time, I 100% really wasn't feeling it. I just thought it made me look a bit bulky, I guess, and it wasn't doing my booty any good either, so I wasn't 100% feeling it. I'm really wanting some straight jeans, but then I paired it with this top and something happened. I loved it. This outfit was so good and I thought, oh my god. But I thought the shoulder pads were a bit strange. I couldn't get my head around it. It reminded me of like Roblox characters, so as you can see, I'm kind of emphasizing that. It just looks really strange to me. And I thought, okay, it's good with the wide legs, but everything else, I wasn't really sure if I could style this top. So it was a no. But lo and behold, you wait for the next thing. This dress, oh my gosh, I wish I bought this. This just sat on me in like all the right places, and as you can see on my face, I was so excited by it. But it was £32.99 and I thought, I don't have that money right now because of the cost of living crisis. So I didn't get it, and because I bought that jacket. Hey guys, I'm back from shopping, and to be honest, it was a lot shorter than I thought it was going to be. Where I live, there's only like a couple of clothes shops and that's it. The others like really expensive and like more for an older market, which isn't for me. There wasn't much choice. There's only H&M and New Look, and there wasn't really much there that was catching my attention. I mean, I found some beautiful bits, like I love that red dress and I wish I had the money I could get that. It was £32, and okay, it's not the most expensive thing in the world, but I just spent £60 on that aviator jacket that you saw, so I did buy myself that. I do wish I could have had that red one as well, but you know, that was just, wasn't meant to be. I didn't have the money. So this video wasn't long enough I thought it was going to be, so let's just continue it and just make it a day in a life vlog, I guess. I'll show you whatever else I do. My brother and I went out for a morning walk in the countryside to go to the local nursery where I live, and basically we had the mission to find some pumpkins that we could use for Halloween. This is my outfit, as you can see, and these are the only pumpkin looking things that were there. These are in fact squash, and I love the patterns and colours of these, so I ended up snagging one of these, which I'll carve, I'll do something with it. And these are the biggest pumpkins, but they were green. These were the things we ended up getting. Hey guys. Guys, so it's been a while since you've seen me and it's a bit echoey in here, so I'm sorry. I just been to Asda's. I did a weekly food shop, although it doesn't look like a weekly food shop at all. I'm looking at it and thinking, really, that's my dinner for the rest of the week? It is Wednesday and I do have stuff in the freezer, so I guess it makes sense, but anyway, let me just show you what I got. We'll do a little food haul. There's something I'm excited to show you, which I've never tried before, but you'll see what I mean. Let me show you. This is my food shop for the week. This is what I mean. There's only like a week's worth of stuff and it's not much. Like, this technically isn't mine, this is for someone else, so even take away this. But let me explain what I'm doing. So we have this salad, which is going to be for like lunches as well as dinner, where I'm using the chicken breast which I got. So yeah, I got chicken breast. There's going to be a few dinners worth and also lunch, so hence why I've got a lot. I also got breaded ham, which is going to be for lunches. We've got 10% broccoli, a lactose-free pizza, because I'm lactose-free, hence why that's not mine. We have pork sausages. I'm going to do bangers and mash one night. Then I've got 2 potatoes. One is for a roast I'm doing for myself, which I'm also using the chicken for. And the other is for mashed potato. I'm actually cooking just for one, so another reason why I haven't got loads. We also have carrots, or a carrot, which is going to be for my roast as well. That's why I've only got one, because I won't be eating loads. Basmati rice, again with chicken, ham, different things. I'll just be making stuff up as I go along. And then I also got this Bubblyology fruit tea mixology kit, which I'm excited. I love bubble tea. This was expensive. It was, how much was it? £8.50, which is a lot, but it makes 4 bubble tea drinks, and usually a bubble tea is about £4, £3. So to be fair, there's 4 drinks in here. I guess it's worth the money. I'm actually going to open it up. I'm really intrigued to see what's inside. Let's have a look and see this. I might even make a UGC video later, which I'll talk to you all about. Okay, here we go. So it opens up like this. Okay, now I'm not going to open it until I've done the UGC video. Today I'm trying out the Bubblyology fruit bubble tea set. With this set, you can make 4 drinks with raspberry tea and passion fruit tea. This is everything included in the set. There's mango pearls, strawberry pearls, raspberry syrup, passion fruit syrup, some straws, jasmine tea. Firstly, I boiled my water for my jasmine tea and let it sit for 1 minute. I then remove the tea bag and then I get a glass full of ice, which I'll then pour the tea into to let it cool down. After that, I give it a good mix and then I add my raspberry syrup. I then put half of it in and then mix it up. And once I'm happy with it being mixed, I add my mango pearls. I then add a little bit more ice just to make sure it's nice and cold and give it a final stir before I give it a go. That's really nice. Okay, so I just made the video for my UGC content. I just thought it was the perfect opportunity, so I just had to stop recording. It tastes so good. It actually turns out alright. It's not as red as the box, as you can see here. I did that one, the raspberry tea with the mango popping pearls. It does taste nice, like bubble tea. It's not as cold. Probably doesn't have as much ice in it like a typical bubble tea would, but I really like that. That was good. Is it worth £8.50? I'd say it is. You do get 4 bubble tea drinks, which typically, if you buy 1 bubble tea, it's like £3.75, but then size-wise, okay, I might have been better off with a bigger cup, yeah. But overall, it's all right. It's pretty good. I recommend trying it. I got it from Asda. You might be able to get it from other places, but anyway, yeah, I recommend. Also, while I think about it, I thought I'd give you a little haul of what I got from when I went shopping. I only bought one thing, so it was quite expensive. I got this jacket, which you'll see me try on. I mean, you probably saw by my face that I was obsessed with it, and I have been wanting one of these for a while, so I ended up getting it. But my big regret of what I didn't buy was that red dress. That was such a beautiful dress, and I wish I got it, but oh well. So, that's that one. I mean, it doesn't fully go with what I'm wearing. I'll adjust the camera. I mean, it looks a bit silly, but that's what I got. But honestly, I love this. It's gonna be perfect for the autumn winter weather, as it suddenly got super cold in the UK, like really cold. I don't like it. It just is a bit too much of a change, like a shock to the system. Anyway, what am I going to do? I'll be honest, I don't really know what I'm going to do, but looking at the time, it's 12:10, so I'm going to make myself some lunch. So I guess I'll take you along with me. I just finished eating my roast dinner. I am actually feeling really stuffed now. I'm having a bit of a food coma, but it was really good. I was craving one for a while because I usually have one weekly, but I haven't in the past few weeks. So it's nice having one again, especially in the rainy weather. It's so relaxing just sitting here on my own, hearing the rain, watching a YouTube video and eating my food. So I'm actually going to end this video here. All I'm going to be doing now is washing up, relax, watch some TV. I'm planning on watching Mary Poppins. I don't know, I just got the word supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, I can't remember how it goes. I got that in my head, just like the one phrase. I thought, oh, I want to watch Mary Poppins, so I'll be doing that. I think it'll be quite cozy to do, but that'll be after my chores, so I can just sit back, relax and just unwind for the rest of the day. I'm probably gonna have a shower as well this evening, and that's that. But thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all very soon in my next video. Bye guys.